Closet organization. It is time for the video that a lot of you guys have been waiting for. First of all, let's get the elephant out of the way. Yes, there's a random TV beside me on the floor. Yes, there is millions of boxes and garbage. Welcome to another video of my moving series. Hi, my name is Fernanda. If you don't know who I am, welcome to the channel. If you like closet organizations and clothes and aesthetic cleaning montages, you're at the perfect place. And if you want to see my little moving series that I've got going on, make sure to check out my channel and subscribe. I have a whole moving playlist if you haven't seen the videos already. Today we are tackling the closet. Now, in this point of time, when I'm filming this video, I have been living in my apartment for the past week and a half, and I've been living out of a suitcase and boxes. Why, you may ask? Because I wasn't ready to film the closet video yet. You know, a regular person would just go ahead and put their clothes away the minute they get to their new apartment. But no, as a YouTuber, I have been having to do the most extra way of doing this, literally living out of my suitcase for no reason other than the fact that I wanted to be on video, but I wasn't ready to have it on video, and I couldn't put clothes away if I wasn't going to film it, but I needed to get ready in order to film, and I wasn't ready to get ready. You get the point. There's just been a lot of things in the way of this video, and now I'm so relieved to finally be able to film this because I can finally put my clothes away and get rid of the mess that is, occupying my bedroom floor at the moment. I have a ton of clothes. I actually don't know. Actually, I do know. My clothes is not gonna fit in my closet, but that's where the closet organization comes in, the extra clothing racks, and probably gonna have to get some drawers. Let's go check out what we're working with. In my bedroom, there's two closets. The first one is quite spacious and it's got a bunch of different compartments. I feel like I can really make use out of the drawers and put in my gym stuff, or maybe my intimates, or maybe certain pants, and hang up shirts and just the everyday type of stuff. Then I have another closet which is pretty large as well. I feel like in this one I could use jackets or heavier things. Since I have so much storage in this place for just me, I don't think I'm gonna put the jackets in there, and I'm probably gonna hang up dresses or jeans. Then I have my office, and in the office I am gonna hang up a clothing rack, probably with my newer stuff or the stuff of the season that I'll be taking a lot of content in. In the office I have a built-in closet that has a lot of space as well. I can use that maybe for non-seasonal things, I'm really not sure yet. And then I have my laundry room, which has a hanger on the top, and I'm not sure if that's for coats. I thought that's what it was for, but my mom said when you're doing the laundry and you need to air dry something, you just hang it up on there. But that seems like a waste of storage considering that I want all the storage that I can get. I also have a little nook where my dad is going to build a shoe shelf for me. How epic. Now I honestly don't know what is the best method for clothing organization right now, because when I put everything in the boxes for my old home, I didn't really use a method. I just shoved them in boxes, and like I said, I've been living out of these boxes for the past week and a half that I've been ripping them apart trying to find the things I need, so now they're really unorganized. So I think I'm just gonna go through everything and just put stuff in different piles. I might make a little montage for you guys so you can see what I'm doing at the same time. But as you can see, we've got some jackets there, random stuff there, more I don't even know what that is, clothes there, clothes there. Let's not talk about the giant suitcase of clothes I have on the floor. Another box here, more shoes and bags here. And thankfully, my mom brought me all of these hangers from my bedroom at home. Most of these are matching. I think I have all white ones and I have some wooden ones. The wooden ones I'm definitely gonna put on the clothing racks because they are nicer and they're more for display. Okay, I'm halfway done. Don't know if this was the best method, but I gathered all my pants, all my dresses, all my shorts and skirts, sweat shorts, t-shirts that I'm gonna be hanging up, shirts I'm gonna be, okay, this is actually embarrassing. Some people get really, overwhelmed with so much clutter, but I am a visual person, and the more I can see outlaid like this, it actually makes me feel better and feeling like I'm advancing. So, I'm exhausted. I actually have to go to a yoga class right now, but I'm gonna go, and then when I come back, we will pick up where we left off. So first we're starting off with the dresses. Now I decided to hang mine up just because I thought they would be super cute on display, and I can actually see them better when I look through them because I had them folded in my last room, but it was getting really cluttered. As you can see, I have so many dresses. I'm obsessed with all of them, and a lot of them I haven't even worn yet, so I'm really excited to wear them out now. Putting up all my dresses in my bedroom closet, I actually moved them all to my office closet just because there was more space here, and as you can see, I've started up putting jackets on the other side. Now these are going to be my thicker jackets, the ones that I wear when I'm going outside, a lot of leather jackets and just heavier jackets. I think it looks really nice like this. I might do extra sweats up here just because I have so many. Then I went into my main closet and I started organizing all my baby tees. Okay, so I finished all my white hangers. Now I only have these wooden ones, and I really like these, but it doesn't match those ones. So I don't know, I'm gonna hang stuff up just because I need to get it up, but we might have to go to IKEA, get different hangers, and switch them out later. But I'm gonna use these ones to hang up my pants. There's all my pants. I also am down to like probably 15 hangers. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I also don't know what to do with these two little drawers because I'm thinking like I could use this for like underwears and bras, but I think I have more than that. I'm thinking like I should have gone to IKEA today, but I don't have time anymore. The next morning, I'm wearing my Have a Shitty Shirt Day. Have a Shitty Day shirt. I went to IKEA yesterday and I bought a frick ton of hangers. So let me show you what I bought and let's continue with cleaning out my closet because I think I have friends coming over tomorrow and I cannot have all the clothes on the floor. I bought two different types of hangers. I bought these skinny little wired ones and they have a little dip in them, so I think it'll be good for those like shirts that slide off. I wanted these because they're like thin. They're just gonna be easy to stack up in my closet. And then I also bought these thicker ones that I talked about already, but I like using these for when you can actually see them, like on clothing racks and stuff. They just look like this.
Oh, wow.
I then switched all those white hangers that I had for the thin ones that I brought from IKEA earlier because as you can see, since they are so much skinnier, I can fit so many more t-shirts on this rack. So I feel like that's a really good hack if you need more storage space. And then I also hung up some long sleeves and blouses on the top rack and folded up some shorts. Hello, people. Today is the day that we finish this freaking closet transformation. This has taken me a really long time and I have a lot to update you on. First things first is I ordered a drawer off of IKEA and we built it in the previous video. It is currently in my closet. My dad helped me. My dad built it. I keep saying my dad helped me when like he did it himself, but like he built a drawer for me and I put it inside my closet so that I can utilize the drawers instead of just one hanger. Also, I did want to say that in this video, I was planning on making this shoe rack like this one, and my dad actually tried to build it yesterday, but he didn't have one of the tools that he needed, so that's gonna have to be in an upcoming video. But if you're interested in watching that, make sure you stay tuned. We're gonna do all the drawers in the drawers. Does that make sense? So let's get started together. Let me show you the piles that I have. Also, don't mind the fact that I just got out of the shower. I'm so busy today. First pile is my party tops. I've got some shorts, I've got some pajama shirts. A lot of my other ones are actually in the wash right now. I've got some athletic wear clothing, and then I have a whole bunch of gym clothes here. I kind of just separated it into sports bras, shorts, pants, and like other clothes. This is what the drawer looks like as of right now. I think this first one, I'm gonna put like my underwear and my socks and things that I reach for more on the everyday. And then as the drawers go on, I'm gonna put my athletic wear. I just saw this TikTok this morning of this girl picking out her gym clothes, and I'm just gonna show you the screenshots. She had all of her gym clothes color coordinated, so I'm gonna try to see if I can do something like that. I think the time has officially come. My hair is super wet, by the way, but the time has officially come to show you guys the final tour of all the closets. I am obsessed with how they all turned out, and I don't know if I can keep it this clean for that long, but let's start out with my bedroom closets. Okay, so this is what you see when you open up the closet. Starting off with the top left here, I have a whole bunch of long sleeves. You saw me hang these up, but these are all blouses and like things that have buttons. Below here, I just put some cowboy hats that I have. I have this black one and this one with a star. I'm kind of obsessed with them. I don't know if this is really the best spot for them, but it's where they'll go now. Directly below it, I have all my pants here. I didn't really color cord them that well, but they look pretty good there. As you saw on this side, I have all my baby tee In the middle here, I just put a whole bunch of skirts on this side, and on this side I have jean shorts and I have 2 pairs of overalls. And then directly under it, I have my jewelry here. It's kind of all like fading, and I kind of need to go through these bottom ones because they're a little bit unorganized. And then in here, this is also not the cleanest, I just have some hair accessories. I bought these 2 baskets from actually the dollar store, and in this first one, I don't want to take it down, but I just have a whole bunch of sweaters. I ended up putting my sweaters up there just because I don't want the shoulders to get all weird from them sitting on a hanger, because I feel like a lot of times sweaters kind of like slouch down. And then I have another one right there, but I actually don't know what to put in there yet, so it's just empty. Here I have my bras, but I'm not going to open that one. And in here, I have a whole bunch of little pajama sets and shorts. I have a whole bunch of sets from Brandy Melville. This is for Love and Lemons, Skims, and then I have a whole bunch of these like silk ones that I got from Value Village, which is super cute. This is from Yes Style. And then as for my second closet, up top, I just have my robes. I have a plushie one and just like a towel one, and then I have some more towels up there, but the rest of them are in the wash right now. And then as for my purses, I actually really like the way this turned out. I kind of color coordinated them, but I left a whole bunch of them at my parents' house. I have this jewelry organizer. I still need to put like my actual gold necklaces on there, but for now, I just put some of my favorite beaded ones. The rest of my beaded ones are in this little pouch. It's so cute. It says, "You look so good today." I have some sunglasses, and then here, I ended up putting up a bunch of hats and like trucker hats that I have. Like I showed earlier, I have some glasses in there. I do want to say though, I probably will end up putting more stuff on there, but that's what I've got for now. But for this dresser, I put my underwear and socks. And then for this second one, you saw me do this. It looks so good. It's all color coordinated. I also want to point out, I feel like I've said this in this video already, but a lot of the clothes that I have is because I've been sent it, or it was for a sponsorship or something. Like most of my clothes I actually did not purchase, so I don't want anyone to feel bad or feel like I'm like, you know, spending all my money on clothes. I definitely am not. And having so much clothes is so nice, but at the same time, it's not needed. Like I feel like after having a lot of things, you realize that you reach for the same things over and over again, and having excess of anything is just very overwhelming to say the least. But I'm very grateful, super fun. I just wanted to point that out there because I don't want anyone to like feel bad about anything. Most of my workout sets are from Aritzia, Set Active, or Gymshark. And then in this next drawer, I have a whole bunch of black gym stuff over here, and then I have workout like shirts, and I have some sweat shorts, and this is like a tennis skirt. And then in the last one, I have some like party tank tops and just like tank tops. I also put some workout bands and stuff that I use to work out with, and some tote bags, and I have like a little fanny pack here, and these are like my favorite bags for the summer. And then my last closet, starting off up here, I just have all my hoodies and sweatpants. I didn't do this in a particular order or anything. I just kind of placed them wherever. And then down on the left here, I have jackets and my dresses. I ended up keeping these hangers. I don't know if they look the best. I might need to change those, but it looks pretty good. I feel like some of the dresses look a little bit messed up just because they're like tube tops and they don't fold properly, but it's as best as it's gonna get. I feel like it still looks good. And then down here, I just left this. This is one of my moving boxes, but I actually think it's pretty cute. And I have a whole bunch of bathing suits. Now, I didn't get to go through all of these, but I have so many, as you can see, that I haven't worn yet. So I'm really craving a sunny vacation, but I also put in some like terry cloth clothes that I have, just a whole bunch of beach stuff. I also have some sarongs in here. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I think it looks super cute, super aesthetic. And just a little update on the moving situation. I'm a little bit stressed. I feel like a lot of my furniture isn't coming on time, and I'm definitely gonna have to film some other videos in between the moving ones just because not everything is gonna come, like I just said. But yeah, it's a beautiful day today. I'm really blessed and happy to be here, and I hope you guys are also following my Instagram and my TikTok. For Instagram, I actually have a partnership with Instagram Reels, which is super exciting. I'm posting like Reels like twice a week, posting stories, posting pictures, and I'm being really consistent on there. So if you guys like to see my YouTube content, I would definitely recommend following me on those other ones because I post so much and I put a lot of hard work into it. So yeah, also when I'm filming this video right now, I'm 2K away from 900K, which is freaking insane. I love you guys so much. Can you believe I'm right now 102K away from 1 million? That is freaking unreal, and we're gonna have an actual celebration when that happens. So please, just give me a comment, talk to me down below. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very shortly.
Thank you.